No, kitty. You're not supposed to be in there. That's my toy box. Toys, not cats. You hide in there, you squish, Mr. Draft. See? Come out. Right here. Now. Thank you. No more hiding, okay? You will float. No, you listen. You can't do that, okay?
Meow.
Don't meow me. I said no.
Meow.
Don't meow me. No. You listen. You can't do that. Understand? Don't meow me. Hey! Don't touch my toy again, kitty. No. Mine. Okay? No! Don't touch it! Mine! My car! You hear me? No meow. Not your toy. You stay back, kitty. Okay? Good kitty. But still no touch. Hey, don't touch my toy again. It's mine, okay? No paw. I said no, it's my plan.
Ready? One more time.
Mr. Kitty, did you eat my cookie?
Meow.
That sounds like yes.
Meow.
What do you mean, maybe? There's crumbs on your face.
Meow.
Oh, it's a mystery, huh?
Meow.
I'm detective. You are the suspect.
Meow.
Case closed. You still my favorite, though. No, puppy, that's my car. You don't touch it, okay? No howling either. That puppy, mine. I'm serious.
Oh my goodness. Gentle, sweetheart.
Oh my goodness, she's bringing him over.
Hi, sweet girl. You're sharing your baby?
That's your tiny friend.
Oh, good mama.
She's bringing him to him.
Oh my goodness, that's adorable.
Good, Mama Willow. Put him down nice and gentle. The baby likes him, see?
Mr. Kitty, you did not just jump on Mama's counter. That's bad behavior.
Oh.
Don't meow at me like that. You know what you did. You want timeout? Because I can do it. Mr. Kitty, you did not just jump on Mama's counter. That's bad behavior.
Meow.
Don't meow at me like that. You know what you did. You want timeout? Because I can do it. I did a waffle. That's yes. I knew it. You didn't eat me the syrup. Are you sorry? Bye-bye. Only one snack. No, 2 snacks. You ate my cookie, didn't you? That's a yes. I can hear it. Don't yell. I'm little, but I'm the boss. Okay, maybe share next time? Yeah, you can have half, but not the sprinkles. You can have my snack, mister. No, you already had your crunchy ones. That's not a yes, that's a meow. Oh, you're so dramatic. Did you say bad word, kitty? You can have my truck. No, it's mine. You don't even drive. No, you touch. You silly kitty. No touch. You ask nice. No, Kitty. Don't touch my toys. They're mine. You made a big mess. No, not yes. You keep your paws off, okay? That car stays right there. You hear me? You said my spot? Yes, my spot. I parked it. No, you can't play red with fur. You stink. You be nice. Did you steal my cookie? That means yes. You can't yell at me. You're the cookie bandit. Yes, bandit. Bad